everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO Find X5 Pro, and let me share with you how to clear credentials on this device. So first of all, we have to enter the settings, and now simply scroll down to find passwords and security. Now we have to enter system security, and here, as you can see in the others section, we've got the credential storage. So let's tap. After entering, you can see that at the very bottom we've got remove all user certificates option, which is of course the option we're looking for. So let's tap on it. Your device will ask you if you want to do it, so just tap on OK. And as you can see, we've got the info that the credential storage has been erased successfully. What's more, we cannot tap on this option again, which means that for sure we just removed all user certificates. Be aware that if you've got the screen lock, then your device will ask you to enter it in order to confirm the whole step. So actually this is it. This is how to remove credentials in your OPPO Find X5 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.